Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the observer agent, which will let us have real-time insight on the conversation while it's happening. Let's see how it works. So if we go to the AI agent and we go to the observer agent tab, we need to make sure it's enabled. By default, it's not enabled. And then we can go over and see the different options. So basically, we can start by choosing the model, which is important. Here you have the opportunity to have higher latency models, which means they will take more time to think, but they won't affect the conversation and we'll have better results. So we choose the model here. And what's going to happen, basically, this agent is going to monitor the conversation. And if anything is triggered, for example, any of those state in the conversation is triggered, is going to add a pop-up in the screen where we're going to see the conversation. So I'm going to give an example. Let's say we have call quality issue. The customer says, I cannot hear you. So while the conversation is happening, while I'm in the monitoring screen and in the live calls, I will be able to see that the specific call where the user complains about the quality of the conversation, will be moved to a new column and will be labeled with the call quality issue tag, which will let us basically take control of the conversation whenever we need, or just have more insight into what's going on in the conversation without participating in it. So that's the basic functionality. After choosing the model, we will choose an MCP. Currently, we will not choose anything, but basically, we can add here tools that we want to be triggered in the background. So they won't be part of the conversation, but when in the conversation, the agent will notice that there is a call for action or a tool that should be used in the background, this observer agent will be able to call it without telling the user that it's actually happening, and without the primary agent waiting for the response of the tool. So let's see a bit of what kind of labels we have. We have call quality issue, customer frustration, escalation request, payment information, and much more. We can also add custom labels, and we can also edit live ones or remove them, make them disabled. And that's it for that screen. Now let's see how it plays in action. So let's do a quick demo. I'm going to use this for the demo. That could be good. Let's go to the live call screen. And I'm going to connect to the call of my agent through the widget of the avatar.
Hello, this is iMash, your amazing agent. How can I help you today?
I really having difficulties to hear you. I can barely hear what you're saying. And just like that, we can see that it has been moved to the call quality issue. Something really nice that we have here is that while you have a multiple conversation, you will see all the different conversation in all different stages, and you can also go ahead and filter by the specific label you want. So you can have insight into the specific column that you think is important. And that's a really neat way to actually be in control of multiple conversation happening simultaneously without participating in them. And that's the power and the value we provide in iMash. And that's it. Good luck.